All right, so we're going to do a quick demonstration on how to do a vertebral heart score evaluation on a canine thoracic x-ray using HeskaView Plus. So we have our right lateral x-ray up here. I did change the window leveling a little bit just to make it more contrasty. This helps find and define the vertebral bodies better as well as the heart. So don't be afraid to add more contrast with your window leveling tool. All right, since this is a lot of measurements that we're going to be doing, let's right click. Grab our tool, the measurement line, and the first measurement is from the carina in the long axis down to the apex of the heart. The second one is the widest part of the heart. This guy has a biggish heart, so we'll go ahead and measure across and perpendicular to that long axis view we just did. All right, so here's my two measurements. Now the next thing is to compare that to the vertebral bodies. So we're going to do that. First, we're going to find our cranial aspect of our fourth vertebral body of the thoracic cavity. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and then starting at the cranial aspect, I am going to go out the first measurement, 65.75. We're close to that. It doesn't have to be exact, just somewhere around that area. You'll find out that this is a lot of subjective information going on. I'm going to click and move this thing out of the way so it's not in our way. The second value is this 80.95, or basically 81. I'm going to go out to about 81. There we go, 93. Perfect. All right, so those are, now we've overlaid these two measurements here from the heart, the long axis and short axis, on top of the vertebral column in the thoracic vertebra. And I like to put a nice little text box in here, so I'm going to go right click, go to annotation, put in 2D text, and this is just for my own benefit. It makes it nice and pretty. So I'm going to put in here VHS and an equal sign, parentheses, and now we're going to calculate our number of vertebral bodies. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, there's 5, and we're most of the way through the sixth one. We'll say 5.6 is the value I'm going to put in here. And I'll put a plus sign, and then we need to add in the next one, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 6.8 maybe. Again, it's subjective. And parentheses, and then put in an equal sign, and then we come up with our buddy 12.4. And we say that, and there we go. And there's your vertebral heart score, 12.4.